How to split one cell into two parts in Excel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet and you can see I have already done that cell split in the two parts. So I'll show you how I did it. So first let me undo all things. Okay. Okay, I will show in this cell. Okay, select the cell where you want to split that cell, and just right click on it, go to the cell format, and under the border you need to select the style of the split. So I select this one. Okay, and just click on OK. Now double click on it and write your title like name and month. Write name, then enter the alt plus enter. Okay, hit the alt plus enter, and now you need to write another title which is month. Okay, hit the enter. Now here click on it and double click into the cell and make sure that title, just make it the perfect like this. Okay, okay, so you need to just edit it and make it your name in in another section, another part. Okay, so you can keep it like double click on it. Okay, I will show you again. Double click on it and click at the first name of the title and hit the space, so it will be move forward and it will be look like two parts. Okay, so that is how you can split the cell in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.